Calculating percent change is as simple as finding the difference between your two values and dividing that by the original number. So for this first example, we're going to find the difference between 45 and 92, and we can see here it's 47. So I'm going to write my change, which is 47, over my original value, which is 45, and that is going to give me, if you put in the calculator, that's going to give me 1.04. Then, to calculate the percentage, you multiply this value times 100. So we're going to get that this is a 104% increase, and that's because this value went from 45 to 92. It increased in value. In our second example, we're going from 83 to 76. So 83 minus 76, our difference or our change is 7. So 7 over the original 83. If you plug that into a calculator, you'll get that that's 0.084. And then in order to find the percentage value of that, we take that decimal and we multiply it times 100. So that's going to give us 8.4%. And this is a decrease because the value went from 83 to 76. This is going down in value.